We visited the Samui Monkey Sanctuary on the island of Koi Samui. A fee of 200 baht per person would charge for entry fee. For an additional 50 baht, you can also buy some bananas to feed the monkeys. How disappointed it was to see upon entry that the monkeys was chained around the neck and not allowed to run freely. The monkeys were very playful, but they could only move around the small area that was allowed with a chain around the neck. Strangely enough, the monkeys enjoyed the sweets that was handed to them more than the bananas that we wanted to feed them.
Hy dink is nou 'n lekker speletjie. Ek kry my selfoon by die man. Jou bobbejaan. Regte bokketjie so. Hoe is dit regte bobbejaan? Hulle is nou gat. Nou kyk.
We were escorted through this very small sanctuary and showed the monkeys on chains and some locked up in cages.
Kyk eens hier.
The cages were very small and not of the cleanest. An additional fee of 100 baht was charged for a so-called monkey show. The show started with a monkey tied with his neck to a long rope and forced to ride a tricycle in circles to entertain the crowd. How funny it was when the monkey played basketball. The monkey was also trained to beg for some money from the crowd, most probably not for his own pocket.
Hoeveel wil hy nou hê? As hy nou 'n dier op het. Jim kan daar, Jim kan. Khop, không cắp đấy.
Cắp, thank you.
It's so
Cắp.
sad.
Đang đi.
Oh my god, I put it on the floor, not the back.
Con đi cắp đi. Cắp.
Jim.
The monkey was also trained to climb a very high tree, to pick some coconuts and to entertain the crowd.
Get a coconut. Oh.
Jeez.
Fried coconut.
That's how they take the coconuts from the tree with a monkey. Ew. Here comes that.
Look the way how he did
Jeez.
that.
He's shaking his butt.
Whoa.
Oh.
Ew. Twisting of a coconut concluded the show.
How is that here?
ขอบคุณครับมาเดียว ครับเร็ว
Well, this concluded our visit to the monkey sanctuary. Somewhat disappointed.